Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to change your residential address on Amazon for digital purchases. This is particularly important if you've moved to a new location and want to ensure your digital content like Kindle books or apps reflects your current region. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. After you're signed in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see Account and Lists. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Account. This will take you to your main account settings page where you can manage various aspects of your Amazon profile. Now scroll down the page until you locate the section labeled Digital Content and Devices. This section contains all the settings related to your digital purchases and connected devices. Under this heading, you'll see several options. Click on Devices. This is where Amazon stores information about all your registered devices and their associated settings. Once you're in the Devices section, look at the upper left toolbar. Here you'll find an option called Preferences. Go ahead and click on it. This area allows you to customize how your digital content behaves across your devices and regions. In the Preferences menu, you'll need to navigate to Country Region Settings. This is the key section that determines which regional store your digital purchases are tied to, affecting availability and pricing of content. Next to Country Region Settings, you'll see a Change button. Click on it to begin updating your address information. A form will now appear on your screen with several fields for you to fill in. Start by typing your new address into the appropriate fields. Make sure you enter the complete street address accurately, as this information is crucial for determining your regional settings and the content available to you. Continue by entering the city, state, or province and region where you currently reside. Each field is clearly labeled, making it straightforward to input the correct information. Next, type in your zip code or postal code followed by your phone number. These details help Amazon verify your location and ensure your account settings are properly updated. After you've filled in all the required fields, take a moment to review everything you've entered to make sure it's accurate. Once you're satisfied that all the information is correct, click the Update button. Amazon will process this change and update your regional settings for digital purchases. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your residential address on Amazon for digital purchases, ensuring your account reflects your current location. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.